Hi guys, Shelly here with Seashells and Lemons. I'm going to quickly demonstrate my favorite close to my heart product, liquid glass. It's more than just an adhesive, it's actually an embellishment. Bet you didn't know that. So I'm just going to show you how I used it quickly on one of the cards I just made. So stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, so let's get started. Again, I'm going to show you about the wonders of liquid glass here. I have a couple of examples of, these are just cards I just did recently, so I've just pulled them right out and show you how awesome this liquid glass is. It's just, I don't know, there's something about it, I just love it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and demonstrate here. Let me get my ink. And let's see. I'm just going to stamp this heart here on a piece of white, a piece of Lagoon, and then this is actually the back side of Lagoon, because if you know close to my heart cardstock, it always comes with a light side and a dark side. So we're going to go ahead and just use one piece of the light and the dark. So stamp off my stamp there. Okay, so here are my three different pieces of paper here, and I'm gonna show you how this works. So you just simply take your liquid glass and fill in the heart. I mean, so simple, and it's like, it's fun. I don't know why, but it's like fun. So I'm just filling in the heart here. Okay, so if you can see what I've done, I've just filled in just the inside of the heart, and I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit, and I'm gonna do the light side of the cardstock here. And the reason I'm showing you both is because they come out kind of two different colors. So I mean, obviously one's a light side and a dark side, but the color of the glass, you know, the glue looks different than the actual piece of paper. So you can already see it. Well, I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but it just, you can tell on this one. So this one's dried already, but the paper itself looks darker, and then the inside where the liquid glass is, it looks like a lighter pink, and it's just like a two-tone, and it's very pretty. So on the piece of paper here, I'm just gonna go ahead and color it in. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like if you want to just go ahead color. And I'm using, let me see what color I'm using here. Leaf green is the color I'm using. And I really just grabbed a marker, any marker. I'm a big fan of the nature colors anyways. So, okay, so I've colored in my, just wanted to dry. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and do liquid glass over top of it. And all I'm doing is just squeezing hard enough to get a layer of glass, a layer of glue on here. I keep calling it glass and it's glue, but okay. So there. I mean, isn't it the prettiest thing ever? Look at that. So pretty. So those take a while, and I usually leave them for quite a while to dry. I mean, they don't take long at all, but I usually leave them, just better safe than sorry, I guess. So I just leave them for a while to dry. But those are just, you know, I used the stamp of the month to give you an example, just to show you another reason why this stamp of the month is so fantastic. But liquid glass, one of my most favorite embellishments, because who would think that this is an embellishment? You think, yes, you can use this to adhere, just like your tape runner. It is glue, but it does so much more than just adhere. It also becomes an embellishment like this. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.